Okay, today we're gonna keep talking about how to solve system of equations by elimination, but now we're gonna learn how to do it using multiplication. Let's go over the steps. Step number one, first we need to multiply the system, at least one equation, by a constant, which is by a number. So in order to the equations get opposite terms or opposite coefficients, at least one. So we can eliminate one variable. That's my goal. Step number two, add the equations, eliminate one variable, then solve the equation. That will be my first part of the solution, and then substitute that on any of the other two equations, and we're gonna find the second part of the solution, and then write the solution as order pair. Let's see this example. 5x plus y equals 9, 10x minus 7y equals negative 18. If we add them or we subtract, we cannot eliminate anything. So we need to multiply at least one equation in order to eliminate one variable. Like the first equation, if I multiply by 2, I mean by negative 2, then the x will be opposite as the other x. It will be negative 10x and it will be opposite. So I'm going to multiply everything on the first equation by negative 2 so I can eliminate the x. So it will be negative 2 times 5x, negative 10x, negative 2 times y, negative 2y, and negative 2 times 9, negative 18. Now that I have my system with at least one variable with opposite coefficients, then I'm going to do an addition and try to solve the equation. So it will be negative 2y plus negative 9y will be negative 9y, negative 18 plus negative 18, negative 36, and then solve this equation, divide both sides by negative 9, y equals 4. And then use this one on any of the original equations, and then find the other part of the solution. Like in this case, I'm going to replace the y with the 4. So it will be minus 4 minus 4, 5x equals 5, divide by 5, and x equals 1. So my solution will be 1 comma 4. That's how we do it. First, we need to multiply one equation in order to make it opposite as the other one. Let's see another example, like this one. As we can see, if we multiply the first equation by a number, I cannot eliminate. So what we're gonna do is multiply each one like the first one by this coefficient and the second one by the other coefficient, but since the signs are the same, I'm gonna change one sign, like this one. I'm gonna multiply the one for the negative 4 and the on the first one, and I mean on the second one by 7. That way, here I'm gonna have 28x, and at the bottom I'm gonna have negative 28x. So that way I'm gonna get opposite coefficients, and I can eliminate the x. So let's see. Negative 4 times negative 7x, 28x, negative 4 times negative 8y, plus 32y, and negative 4 times 9, negative 36. 7 times negative 4x, negative 28x, 7 times 9y, 63y, and negative 22 times 7, negative 154. As we can see, this coefficient is opposite, so we can eliminate the x. So we're going to do an addition, eliminate the x. I'm going to have 32y plus 63y, 95y. Negative 36 minus 154 is negative 190. Solve the equation, divide by 95, y equals negative 2. And then use this one, substitute on any of the original equations to find the other part of the solution. So I'm going to replace the y with negative 2. And then I'm going to have negative 7x plus 16 equals 9. Subtract 16 on both sides. And then divide by the coefficient, divide by negative 7. X equals 1. So my solution will be 1 comma negative 2. So when we are going to solve using multiplication, make sure that my goal is to have the coefficients opposite so that I can eliminate at least one variable. If we need to multiply both equations, we multiply both equations by a number, okay, like we did on this one, in order to have coefficients opposite to each other, so we can cancel out at least one variable. Okay, thank you.